Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone and welcome to this new video of the new series, the Arabic alphabet. So the first alphabet of today is حرف التاء, the letter T or the sound ta, ta. And of course we are going to practice writing the alphabet, the letter. So let's begin. Writing the letter depends on its position in the word. So if the word starts with letter ta, حرف التاء, we would write it like this. If it's in the middle and it is connected to the previous and the following letter, we would write it like this. If it's at the end and it is not connected, we would write it like this. And also we'll see how we can write it at the end if it is connected to the previous letter. And here we have ta marbuta, and this is what the feminine words in Arabic end with, and we will see this in another video. So the first position of the letter is the initial state. And if the words begin with letter ta, T, we would write it like this. Let's practice. So this is how we would write the letter at the beginning of the word. All right, like this with the two dots. Let's practice together. It's easy, right? That's good. Good job. So here, as you can see, we have the word tamr, tamr or tamrun. It means dates. Let's practice writing the letter. So this is حرف التاء, حرف الميم, حرف الراء. And for example, this is how we would write the word dates, tamr. Tamr. Okay, let's focus on the letter T. Tamr. Okay, like this. Tamrun or tamr. Good job. And here we have the letter in the middle. It is connected to the previous and the following letter. This is how we would write it. Let's practice. And this is how we would write the letter if it's in the middle and it is connected to the previous and the following letter. Just like this. Like this with the two dots. Just a lot of practice. That's all it needs. Good job. And this is the word daftar. As you can see here, we have the letter in the middle. It is connected to حرف الفاء, the letter F, and حرف الراء, the letter R. Daftar means notebook. Let's practice writing the word. And this is how we would write the letter notebook. So we have dal, D, we have fa, F, and letter T that is connected. Daftar. Da. Tar. And this is the letter R. All right, again. Da, f, tar. So we are focusing on the letter T. Daftar. That's good. Good job. And here, as you can see, we have the letter at the end of the word and it is connected to the previous letter. So let's practice writing it. And this is how we would write letter if it's connected, if it's at the end connected to the previous letter. Just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Good job. Good practice. Good. And here you can see in a real example. Bint. So bint means girl. Bint. So we have the letter B, the letter N, and we have حرف التاء. So let's practice. For example, we have the word girl. It is bint. So we have bintun. So we have letter ba, nun, ta. Bint. Again. Bint. Another time. Bint. Good job. And this is how we would write the letter if it is at the end and it is not connected to the previous letter, as you can see in this example. So let's write it by itself. Of course, this is how we would write the letter if it's at the end, isolated, not connected. Ta. Ta. The letter T. The sound ta. Of course, if we add harakat to it, it changes the pronunciation, and we will see this separately in another video. So here, as you can see in this example, toot, so we have the letter ta, wow, ta. And of course, ta, it's not connected to the wow. Whatever letter comes after the letter U or حرف الواو, it is not connected. Toot, toot. Let's practice. That's good. Good job. And here we have the word toot. Toot. So we are practicing the initial state and the final state. Toot. 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 Alright, well, this is the end of our video. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you next session with another video. Thank you everyone. مع السلامة.